Before you buy Shiba Inu coins. This is a movie. After its most recent big jump, the price of Shib Inu's Shiba Inu has been waiting for months to find the right amount of support. Shib hasn't been able to get a strong base, even though it has lost the ground it gained during the most recent rise. But things are getting better and the meme coin is about to take a dangerous step. In this movie, we'll talk about Holy Shib. Watch this movie first if you want to buy Shiba Inu coins. Welcome to Wealthy Coin, where you can get your daily dose of Shiba. This is where you should be. If you're interested in anything connected to Shiba, if you want to know about all the latest news predictions and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe to get more Shib news. Make sure to click like. Shiba Inu's price has been moving above the $0.118 support level for more than a month. After flipping it on August 5, it stayed above this level for a while before starting a 50% rise. Even though the Shiba Inu price lost these gains, it traded for the next few days above a rising trend line and a horizontal support level at 18 cents. Shib, on the other hand, broke through this intersection on September 15, which showed that a drop was about to start. If this trend keeps up, the price of Shiba Inu will probably go down by 25%, closing the gap between $83 and $93. In the short term, it will lay the groundwork for the bullish play in the long run. Shiba Inu price will show that the bears are getting weaker if it turns around and makes a daily candlestick close above $118. If this barrier turned into a level of support, the critical view would be shown to be wrong. One of Shiba Inu's native tokens, BONE, went up by 20% today to a new daily high of $1.37. This could cause the Shiba Inu price to start its run up to 17 cents before it's ready. As the date of the Shibarium public beta testnet launch gets closer, the price of the token keeps going up because buyers want more BONE. If nothing goes wrong, the testnet start should happen before the end of this month. The token's price reached its highest point earlier this week and has gone up by 87% in the last 30 days. So, since July 2022, people who bought BONE last month have almost doubled their investments. From zero, BONE's price has been going up. Before the end of the next week, it went up in less than a month. BONE's price would most likely sell for $2. The price of BONE has doubled in the last 3 months, making buyers a lot of money. BONE will be the name of the Shibarium Layer 2 network's governance token. Unification Fund says that the paperwork for the Layer 2 network will be ready by the end of next week. The company that is building the network. The business said that the BONE token is perfect for the Shiba Inu community because it can be used to pay for things on the Shibarium network. But no official date has been given for when the Shibarium network will be up and running. The ship's crew just told everyone about the launch. It makes sense for buyers to buy more BONE tokens in order to get into the market before Shibarium comes out. Investors think that the price of the BONE token might go up in the future because it could be used on the Shibarium network. So, until the SHIB team says when the Layer 2 network will go live, a price increase would mean more money for these investors and continue to bring more people to buy. According to the most current data, BONE is now worth $1.37 and has gone up 10.9% in the last 24 hours. It is still 91.3% less than its highest price, which was $15.50 in July 2021. But the SHIB team said earlier this month that the total number of BONE tokens will be limited to 230 million. This means that no more BONE tokens will be made. There are still only 250 million bones, but the extra million are used to make gas and Shibarium. One of the reasons why the price of bones went up last month and why it is now one of the best performing cryptocurrencies is because of this. That month, exchange ads for validators were in the news. The Shiba Inu, which is a breed of Japanese hunting dog, is the symbol of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, which is based on Ethereum. Someone asked the simple question, what would happen if the community of a cryptocurrency project ran it all? This project was made to answer the question of who made the coin. Ryoshi says it was an experiment in spontaneous, decentralized community growth. Ryoshi, who made it, says that a group that is not organized can make something much more powerful than a team that is. Ryoshi built the Shiba Inu environment on the Ethereum blockchain because it was safe and well-known, which let the project stay decentralized. Shiba Inu was the most talked about cryptocurrency recently, while meme coins saw price jumps of up to 30% in a single day and a huge rush on the market. Shidoshi Kusama was an artist. The main creator of ShibaSwap tweeted that he would talk more about the Shiba Inu Eternity game. He said that he would be available on the ship's Discord server to talk about anything to do with the future mobile game. He begged investors not to miss his emotional speech and said that he would stop the discussion tomorrow at 9:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to talk about Eternity in Discord. Grab me. I'll stop talking so we can talk about Shiba forever and everything it means. You won't want to miss my passionate speech, in which I describe how I see Shib's future. Shib. Salut. Shiba Army. Shidoshi didn't say in this tweet that he knew more about the future of QP. We'll have to keep an eye on the ship's Discord server for news. Also, the discussion about the Shiba Eternity game will happen on Discord on Thursday at 9:00 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Also, the Eternity mobile game could be the first one to be released since it is being tried in Australia and Vietnam right now. Information shared on Unification Fund's blog suggests that the Shibarium public beta testnet may also be made available this month. On the other hand, the rest of the projects probably won't be done until 2023 or later. Former candidate for the U.S. House of Representatives and CEO of Gottstein Media, David Gottstein, has thanked the Shiba Inu community for starting the burn frenzy in the crypto industry. Gottstein said that Shib was the one who started the whole firestorm. People in the Shiba Inu community criticized its low price and failure to bounce back after it fell from its all-time high of $0.86116. This was because it had a large maximum supply. They forced the team to let people start a token burn on their own, which let people move money to an unrecoverable wallet. Investors who are worried think that the price would change if the supply went down. Even though 60 billion tokens have been burned so far, the Shiba Inu society is still keeping track. Given how bad the market is right now, it is unlikely that the token burn project will change the price of Shiba Inus right away. However, its effects will be seen in the future. Shib's price is now more concerned with staying above the support level of 40 cents and regaining lost ground. No less than $800. Shiba Inu's price needs to break through the resistance at the middle of the falling channel to get out of the tight bearish constraints that are stopping a comeback. The Iron Ape on-chain measure of the block shows that there is a lot of seller congestion around 0. About 11,500 addresses have already bought 66.62 trillion SHIB tokens in the range until SHIB pulls above the channel. Traders would have to deal with the uncertainty of more drops below 0.0 into the block as buyers sell at their own break-even points. When there is a lot of pushback like this, it means that the recovery will be limited. Shiba Inu's price has hit the floor